In this short demonstration, I will create a class composite using Memento Composite software. So we'll just create a new project. We'll use the standard 24 by 18 size. We'll import a PSPA format database. And here's the entire school imported with all image data. Now we'll go to the editor, and we're going to create a composite panel. And in order to populate it, we select a query. So in this case, I'm going to say grade and use the IntelliFlow option. This will decide the optimal size in terms of columns and rows for each grade, so it will be consistent throughout. Now I'll click Generate Composite Set, and this will generate the composites. And at this point, we will now see the results of our efforts. So here we have each grade's composite, all nicely laid out, quite consistently. And I can now embellish this by adding some tagged text. What this will allow me to do is add a caption such as grade information. For example, I'll go here, I'll type grade, and I'll use the tag text option and increase its size a bit. There we go, and now I'll regenerate. And now, as you can see, each composite has a grade according to the grade of each one of these composites. Of course, there's many more options, but for the purpose of this demo video, I've just stayed to the simplest for now. Thanks for watching.